Hey guys, PepperAmmy here. This week we are going to be taking a look at orange chicken, or at least a healthy version of orange chicken. Now to start we are going to need a marinade. Combine a quarter cup or 30 grams of cornstarch, 60 grams or a quarter cup of soy sauce, and finally 2 tablespoons of orange juice, and give a good stir to combine. The cornstarch can make this a bit tough and it may stick to the bottom of the bowl, but keep working until it all comes together and the cornstarch is fully dissolved. Next, trim and dice 3 chicken breasts into bite-sized pieces or around 1 inch. You can also use boneless chicken thigh if you prefer. And then add your chicken to the prepared marinade and mix to fully coat the chicken. You don't need to use your hands here, but it is the best way to get a full coating on all the pieces of chicken. And then place in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour or up to overnight if you are making this for the next day. Once your chicken has finished marinating, you may notice a bit of separation in the sauce. Don't worry about that, just give it a mix to recombine. So once your chicken has finished marinating, combine 3/4 of a cup of orange juice or 180 ml of fresh orange juice with a tablespoon of soy sauce and a tablespoon of hoisin sauce. Now I mixed mine together as the hoisin sauce is quite thick and it made it easier to pour out of the little glass cup. And then add in 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and then whisk to fully combine everything together. Once the sauce is mixed, set aside and leave for later. Then heat around 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pan that is big enough for all of your chicken, and then using a slotted spatula or a metal spider like I am, remove the chicken from the marinade and place in the hot pan, watching out for spitting oil as you are of course taking cold chicken into a hot environment. Now you want to cook this on all sides until browned and slightly crisp. I like my chicken a little bit crispier on the outside, and you're not really cooking this in the sauce long enough to make the crispiness go soft. So how you cook it here is how the final product is going to be. Then simply pour over your sauce, add in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. This is going to thicken your sauce up nicely, and then cook for a further 5 minutes until you have a nice thick dark sauce. Now once this is ready to serve, you can optionally sprinkle over some spring onions. I chose around 1 small spring onion per person at the table, and 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. This adds a really nice rich kind of nutty flavour to this as well, and of course some fresh orange zest just to emphasise the orangeness in this dish in total. And then I serve this with a side of fluffy white rice. I use jasmine, that is my go-to cooking rice at the moment, and optionally you can add a side of vegetables to this dish also. Now this dish tastes absolutely amazing. The sweetness of the orange juice and the acidity of the vinegar work really well together to make a really nice final dish. And I hope you enjoyed this week's healthy video. I'm considering doing the slightly less healthy version of this, and if you are interested in that, let me know down below. That will be in a couple of weeks' time. And yeah, if there's anything else that you want to see cooked on this channel that may interest you guys, let me know once again in the comments down below. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you all again